Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling exact ingredients: 300 g all-purpose flour, 40 g sugar, 5 g salt, and 7 g instant yeast. Combine 120 ml cold water and 60 ml cold milk to create the liquid, then whisk briefly until uniform. Use 200 g cold European-style butter, flattened between parchment into a 3.5 by 8 inch rectangle, and chill 30 minutes so it stays firm for lamination. Keep your kitchen cool, ideally under 22 degrees C, and have an oven preheated later to 200 degrees C. Measure precisely and work quickly to maintain cold butter integrity. Mix the flour, sugar, salt, and yeast with the cold liquid until a cohesive, slightly tacky dough forms. Do not overknead. Shape into a rectangle, wrap, and rest 20 minutes in the fridge to relax gluten. Encase the chilled 200 g butter square inside the dough, seal edges, and perform 3-letter folds, chilling 20 minutes between each fold to maintain butter temperature. Roll to 1/4 inch thickness and fold to create laminated layers. 3 folds yield roughly 27 layers, which produces flakiness without overworking the butter. Chill the laminated dough briefly, then roll to about 1/4 inch and cut triangles for 5 inches at the base and 8 inches tall for standard croissants. Stretch the dough gently, roll from base to tip, and shape into crescents. Place on a lined tray with 1-inch spacing. Proof at 24 degrees C for 90 to 120 minutes until puffy but not doubled. Then egg wash and bake at 200 degrees C for 14 to 18 minutes until the interior reaches 190 degrees C and the crust is deep golden. Cool 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.